Everything is made of energy vibrating and moving around in cause and effect cycles. You read that. I spoke it slowly. But each word, once again, a moment of explanation. Everything, you got that one, right? Is, you got that one. Made, I think you got that one. Of, that one's for sure. Energy. So from a scientific perspective, our knowledge tells us that everything is made of energy. It's important to realize you, your clothes, your computer, the ground you walk on, the air you breathe, the water you drink, the food you eat, everything is made of energy. That's interesting, very interesting. Now, something about energy, it's never sitting still. It's always moving back and forth. It vibrates. That's what energy does, which is interesting, means that everything around you, the ground, the walls, your clothes, you, is vibrating. Now, when you go forward on another class, another very interesting class, physics, which we're going to study today, but the fact that everything vibrates implies that everything has a very varying levels of consciousness, which means that in some way, your consciousness is able to vibrate and perceive the vibrations of everything else at some level. There's some level of communication. You're not going to have a conversation with a tree or a rock, right? And you're not going to invite them over for dinner. You might, but you might want to go see a doctor if you do, or start meditating. But there's what it implies is intuition. And another class I'll share with you, a lot of people teach about it. Intuition's amazing, and it's real. And we all, as human beings, have the ability to develop our intuition. Some people may be blessed with it and it develops in their life because of the life they've lived. Most of us don't have that. Most of us don't. But if you can train yourself, you can strengthen your mind to stop talking all the time, which is vibrations inside your brain, as if your brain is a receiver of intuitive knowledge about life. If you're talking, you can't hear the messages that is being communicated to you, so you can intuitively act upon what you're perceiving.